take it.
No, it's
Get the
not.
white. Get the white.
Perfect.
Get the white.
Anything is too white.
This one's good.
But then you have to open it.
Get the
Grab the
white.
scissors and open it.
Wait.
Kittiesmama. Hi, I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
I know.
And I'm Mommy.
And today we're going to be doing
A very uncomfortable challenge.
the Play Doh challenge. And
Well, it's the Siamese Twins challenge.
whatever. I was gonna say with a twist, but okay.
Okay.
But we're doing the Play Doh challenge. But as you can see, we're wearing kitten shirts. Stormer Space Cat.
Ours is like a DJ cat party.
We like
But-
cats.
Yep.
Yeah.
We were tagged by Mommy and Gracie to do the Siamese challenge.
In 10 minutes,
Play-Doh
like
challenge.
usual, we're gonna open up one
Why
of
not
these.
15 minutes?
No.
I was gonna give you guys an extra 5 minutes because
15 minutes.
there's a
Okay, yes, that's
handicap.
totally fine,
Okay,
Daddy.
15 minutes.
So this time, instead of having 10 minutes, we're going to have 15 minutes because Daddy feels we need 5 minutes extra because we are Siamese twins and we're going to need to figure some stuff out.
And we're only gonna be making one out of Play-Doh.
You guys get to choose who wins at the end of this Shopkins Play Doh challenge.
So the first part is just opening your stuff, right?
Yeah.
So let's open these blind bags. No, help me.
Help me.
We're gonna wait for them.
Nobody opens up Shopkins with their hands.
No, here, put your other finger in there and we can pull it apart.
Yeah, yeah.
Green ketchup and bubbles. So I think we have.
No, we have both of those.
Yeah.
We're doing the green ketchup, by the way. And I'll do.
What is green ketchup? Does it actually exist?
That was an awesome shot.
Well, no, I'm gonna.
It's like a hamburger.
Oh yeah, it is. They've got a hamburger.
Yes, no, I'm gonna do the body.
Open.
Yes,
do
little
this
hamburger.
Oh,
He has
I'm gonna
ketchup.
do the feet.
He's bleeding.
What is it?
This.
I don't want to use my teeth.
Why not? I can use
I don't
my
know.
teeth.
Just do the feet and the body. And figure out what happens.
It was just sprayed all over the table.
Yes.
Ooh, I think we should. Well, I don't know. Both of these are.
That
Pretty cute.
I see that one's the easiest. The cube one. No, I see the burger's the easiest.
This guy's just only has 3 colors.
Because the burger is super easy.
This guy looks
Yep.
super easy.
No.
All you have to do is make a
Burger
burger.
could be two Trust me, the burger
They're
will
both
be
actually pretty
easier.
I think the cube probably is the best.
Hello, I'm an orange burger.
So,
So which one you're gonna do?
We're gonna do green ketchup.
Green ketchup.
we're gonna do this weird cheese block.
Is it cheese?
I don't know.
And
We're
green
gonna do this
ketchup.
one.
We got you guys these tool sets.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
Tool set for you guys and a tool set for you guys.
You aren't even ready.
15 minutes on the clock. Mikey.
Where's Mikey?
Oh, he's on my phone. 15 minutes on the clock.
Okay, we ready?
You do the top
And go!
Get the black. Get the black. Quickly, get the black.
No,
Get the white. Get the white.
Get the white.
Anything is But then you have to open it.
Get the
Grab
white.
the scissors and open it.
Yeah, I got the
Get
white.
the yellow.
No,
Get
no, I
some
think the light one's pretty good.
Get
I
that
need some of this.
yellow. Sabotage.
Bam!
Wait,
Wait,
You're gonna
this is
hold the
extremely hard to
bar.
get out.
Get a blue. Get a blue.
Wait,
Ah!
start with the green.
There's scissors over there.
It doesn't matter about the
I do not want to use my
Oops.
tape.
Too bad.
Scissors.
Oh, here. Help me open this.
Oh my goodness, just
here
opening
you
up the Play-Doh is good.
I know. Thank you. We have this. Look, it's close.
Okay.
Okay,
Too dark.
I'm gonna work
And
on
then we need like a light blue.
No, wait, don't
Daddy,
open one
I
yet.
see light blue over there. Can
No,
you grab
let's
one?
work on
A
the.
little bit of light.
Yeah,
yeah.
share this in half.
Not that good.
Okay, I'm gonna work
No,
on
I'm just, yeah. Throw some.
Yeah.
the body.
There you go.
Humana.
Wait,
Actually, no, you work on the body.
Alright, can I move the stuff?
You work on the body.
There we go.
I make it like a big one. This one has to be extra.
How am I
big.
supposed to get this
So I'm
out?
gonna have to buy more Play-Doh after
That's
this.
right, you guys gotta work together.
There you go.
Just show us our time, Daddy, so you know.
Prop it up with a
It's
Play-Doh.
gonna be very crude.
The mat moves around, it makes it hurt.
I'm not gonna be ready to try.
Here, hand me a little bit of blue. Oh wait, you make balls. Make a ball. Push this smaller ball.
Yeah.
Smaller than this.
Here, help me tear this.
That
Okay.
much make a ball.
Finish the feet.
I'll make it down.
Oh,
Is it?
You need
No,
work on that.
That's not gonna work.
on the glasses. Oh wait, we forgot about pink. Hand us that hot pink.
This one?
No, the one behind it.
This
I
one?
want to do the head thing.
You do the head and then...
You do the little like black thingy. And start working on the arms.
Here.
So on the top, that's it.
Oh, did like a little flip. Pull it out.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah!
That was making different size tomatoes.
Maybe pull some of that.
Ew, no, that's disgusting.
Here we go. Sassy.
Oh, wait, we're not done. We're not done.
Wait,
Wait,
no,
no, wait.
Well, I guess that's good because I wanted him laid down this way to put his nose on.
Most of the stuff you make is dead anyway, right?
This guy can actually stand now.
Oh,
Oh,
It's just because they have mommy.
nose needs to be lower.
Unfair advantage.
Move that down. Hey, it's not an unfair advantage.
We're done.
You have no
Wheel of Judgment?
And I always win.
Here, let's make the arms hit.
I'm gonna put theirs, they got theirs done 4 minutes early. I think that's a bonus.
Bonus.
No, that just means we probably shouldn't have done 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's true.
You make a little
Yeah, yours is gonna be
tiny
better.
snake.
Daddy, you gotta wait for the wheel of judgment. Oh, there's just
Adorable, but ours is pretty cute too.
looks all.
We did
Oh, that looks so cute.
You guys win the
Yeah.
time.
Oh, yep. Okay, wheel of judgment.
We win. We win times.
Mine die.
And wait, we have to put these guys next to them.
Put them next to
Put these next to them.
Oh,
Okay, so make sure to comment down below and tell us who you think won the Siamese Twins Play Doh challenge.
They request the chip challenge.
What?
I said I request the chip challenge because I want to do that.
Mommy, you have to do this with me. So thank you for watching
Today's vlog.
Well, please
Wait,
comment.
hold on. So thank you for watching today's challenge video.
Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us and bye, YouTube.
At the same time, Noah.
1, 2, 3.
Peace out, YouTube.
No, you have to do yours.
Oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Peace
See you
out,
on
YouTube.
YouTube.
Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. Oh no, take time, do what you're gonna do, just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.